From innovative tech to handy tools, we've curated a collection that will elevate your daily life. Get ready to discover cutting-edge design, smart functionality, and a touch of geek chic. Join us as we showcase these must-have gadgets that are sure to impress. Stay tuned for an exciting journey into the world of cool gadgets. Number 1. Ocushield Lamp. Designed to combat the harmful effects of blue light, this eye-caring LED lamp creates a soothing and comfortable lighting environment. By reducing blue light to a low level, it helps improve sleep quality, alleviate eye strain, headaches, dry eyes, and even poor eyesight. Say goodbye to the discomfort caused by excessive exposure to blue light from screens and artificial lighting. Number 2. No Cry Cut Gloves. Not only are these gloves cut-resistant and durable, but they are also 100% food safe. This makes them a perfect companion in the kitchen, protecting your hands from cuts when using mandolins, peelers, graters, and kitchen knives. Additionally, they prove to be invaluable for various outdoor activities such as gardening, where they can be used to clean up weeds or handle herbs. Number 3. Foldable Wood-Burning Camping Stove. The Flame Cube is designed to be compact and portable, taking up only a small corner in your backpack. It's ultra-lightweight and about the size of an apple, making it easy to carry and store. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or on a survival trip, the Flame Cube is a space-saving solution that ensures you have a reliable cooking source wherever you go. Operating the Flame Cube is a breeze. Simply unfold the foldable grate, pull out the blue control module, and lock it into place. No tools are required for quick disassembly and easy cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free experience during your outdoor activities. With its touch switch and smart control features, the Flame Cube offers 3 different air speeds for various applications: grill, boil, and turbo. Number 4. Eilik Bot. With Eilik, you'll experience the joy of having a pet without the hassle. Eilik is equipped with abundant emotions, idle animations, and interactive features that will make you feel like you're interacting with a real pet. Whether you love pets, games, or smart robots, Eilik has something for everyone. One of the most exciting features of Eilik is the ability to connect with other Eilik robots. When 2 Eilik robots meet, they can chat, play, and even engage in friendly fights or quarrels. Imagine the fun and excitement of watching your Eilik interact with its companions. And if you have a group of Eilik robots, get ready for a party. Eilik is constantly evolving and adapting to provide you with new experiences. Through frequent firmware updates and new interactive content, Eilik continues to learn more emotions, functions, and games. This ensures that Eilik stays entertaining and engaging, keeping you captivated and excited all the time. Number 5. Ring Floodlight Cam Plus. With its 1080p HD security camera, motion-activated LED floodlights, and a 105 decibel security siren, the Ring Floodlight Cam Plus ensures that your property is well protected. Stay connected and receive motion-activated notifications on your phone, tablet, or PC, allowing you to keep an eye on your home from anywhere using the Ring app. The two-way talk feature enables you to communicate with visitors or potential intruders directly through the camera. Customize motion zones in the Ring app to focus on specific areas that matter most to you. Say goodbye to blind spots in dark areas with the built-in color night vision and 2 LED floodlights providing clear visibility even in low light conditions. Installation is a breeze with the included plug-in adapter. Number 6. Geekey Multi-Tool. Despite its small size, the Geekey offers a wide range of functions. It features a bike spoke key, screwdriver, wrench, scoring tip, box cutter, serrated edge, can opener, wire stripper, file ruler, protractor, bottle opener, multi-head fit driver, and more. Whether you need to tighten a screw, open a bottle, or measure something accurately, the Geekey has got you covered. Number 7. Ofuzzi Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless handheld vacuum is incredibly lightweight, allowing you to clean with ease using just one hand. The dust canister is equipped with a lock to prevent accidental opening, and you can effortlessly empty it in seconds once you've finished cleaning. Additionally, the dust cup and filter are removable, making them easy to clean and maintain. With 2 power levels to choose from, you can customize your cleaning based on your specific needs. The battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean without interruptions. Number 8. Muzen Cyber Shell Bluetooth Speaker. The cyberpunk-theme RGB LED light adds an exciting visual element to your music experience. The lights pulsate and shine in different color modes, synchronizing with the beat of your music. The combination of gradient lights and Bluetooth speakers creates a captivating ambiance that sets the stage for a party atmosphere. The independent left and right channels of the stereo speaker provide a powerful and immersive HD stereo surround sound. Number 9. Hollyland Wireless Microphone. Equipped with a noise cancellation chip, this microphone effectively eliminates environmental noise, ensuring clear and clean audio for your videos. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Lark M1 remains incredibly lightweight and compact, providing a comfortable and none-feeling wear experience. You can focus on your content without the burden of carrying heavy equipment. With an impressive battery life of 8 hours, the Lark M1 will keep up with your recording needs. Number 10. USB Data Eraser. While factory resetting and standard reformatting methods may appear sufficient for deleting data, they are flawed processes that don't guarantee complete data erasure. When you reformat a hard drive, the old data becomes rewritable, leaving it susceptible to recovery by advanced techniques. Destruct offers a deep reformatting process that ensures all secure data is destroyed, providing a true master reset for your computer. With Destruct, you can give your computer a fresh start. Number 11. Tactica M100 Multi-Purpose Pocket Tool. The M100 serves as a bottle opener, universal wrench with 6 sizes, screwdriver, package opener, and metric imperial ruler, all in one. Experience innovative functionality at its finest with this multi-tool that is engineered to endure. Unlike regular metal pocket multi-tools, the M100 is crafted from a high-end engineering composite that is extremely strong and durable. This material ensures that the tool can withstand pressure without bending and keeps your devices scratch-free. Number 12. Ferrofluid Speaker. The versatility of this lamp allows for a wide range of usage scenarios. It can be used as a music mate for your hi-fi or Bluetooth speakers, serving as a visual representation of the sound. Additionally, it can be used as a desktop creative gift, a ferrofluid display, or even as a stress-relieving toy. Placing it on your piano surface can even turn it into a unique metronome. The lamp offers a relaxing and stress-relieving experience as it dances to the rhythm of your music. After a long day, sit back, unwind, and enjoy the beautiful dance of the ferrofluid, which creates a soothing and captivating ambiance. Number 13. BioLite HeadLamp. With a maximum output of 750 lumens, this headlamp provides powerful illumination to light up your surroundings. It offers various front modes, including red vision, white spot, white flood, white combo, strobe, and burst mode. All these modes are dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness according to your needs and preferences. The rear of the headlamp features a red visibility light with solid and strobe modes, providing enhanced visibility and safety in low light conditions. Similar to the front modes, the rear modes are also dimmable, giving you control over the brightness level. Number 14. Digital Rolling Ruler. ROLLOVA allows you to measure curves, lines, and various surfaces effortlessly. Simply roll it across the surface, and it will capture measurements up to 999.9 inches. It supports both major units of length, the matrix, and imperial systems, catering to different measurement preferences. Accuracy is key when it comes to measurements, and ROLLOVA delivers. Additionally, the device can save up to 99 measurements, allowing you to access them whenever needed. Despite its advanced capabilities, ROLLOVA remains compact and portable. It easily fits in your pocket or toolbox. Its lightweight design adds to its portability, making it convenient to carry for all your DIY and measurement projects. If you enjoyed this video showcasing the coolest gadgets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay up to date with the latest tech trends and never miss out on our future gadget reviews and recommendations. We appreciate your support and feedback. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.